What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Swag Princess Layla, back with another banger.
Why my bad bitch I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay?
Alright, y'all, so I don't got much time to be sitting here talking to y'all, so I already started. It's a school night. I just got back from cosmetology at 5, and I started on hair. Turn your head. Start on her hair. I already got the first 4 braids down already. By the way, we're doing Fulani braids. I'm finna speed this up, get right to it, because I don't have much time. I need to hurry up. It's a school night. As I told y'all, I have school tomorrow.
Yeah, it's that bird in the VIP line with the V-time and the East run. She drive a Nissan and she in a Beamer. I don't want her, cause she from the corner. And I heard that Beamer was a loner. My old man the owner. And I don't even drink Coronas. What type of drink you want, bro? I'm champagne forever. I'm dirty straight forever. You come sit with me if you like to change the weather.
There's nothing I won't do. One eye for you. I'll give my all to you. I promise that I will never lie to you. I promise that I will never lie. Take the whole world and I'm in love with you. I promise. It can be like only you. Baby, I can never make you move. And I know you came here with you. But I promise you that it feels like it's just us two. I don't know what you like to do tonight. But I just wanna be the one to do you right. We're standing here looking at each other, baby, eye to eye. And I'm hoping that you're thinking about leaving with me tonight. We should just say it's not love in the world. 'Cause I wanna help every wrong. Or just maybe try a new thing. And let's spark a new flame. You gon' be my baby. Love me like it's crazy. Tell me if you ready.
Okay, y'all, so I know y'all can see I'm in a different environment. I left and I went to cosmetology the same morning because I still have to clock in to get my hours that Saturday. So I might as well clock in and go do hair. I mean, have her come there so I can do her hair since we're allowed to do that. And we're allowed to have clients, so she was just a client there. Yeah. So I clocked in, got my hours in, and I finished her hair at my hair school. Hey, y'all. Good, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.
Click that like button. Turn on your post notifications. And so you can get notifications when we come back with that beat. When we beat A to the CK back with another banger.
Why you say it so dry?
Back with another banger.
Y'all see me snapping? It's my first time too, cause okay, y'all. So I had braided one more row of the little 3 row. I know y'all see the 3 rows right there. I did one more little stitch braid row, and then I started my crossovers. If y'all confused, and we're doing 2 crossovers in the middle because the one will look dumb and fat and bulky. So we're not really going off the picture no more. We was going off the picture, but we had to add a couple more braids because she didn't want like really big braids. Well, she didn't say that, but I just feel like this looked better. Yeah.
Gotta make my haters mad, give them something to talk about. Take a bit from South of friends, push up back.